जिस प्रकार से हम क्षेत्र भ्रमण कर रहे हैं, जनसंपर्क अभियान चला रहे हैं और लगभग 14 विधानसभाओं में जो हमारा भ्रमण हुआ है, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि वास्तव में जनता बदलाव का मन बना चुकी है।
सब लोग यही चाहे करे राजनीति रमीना कि कोई नयो लड़को आगे नहीं आए। सबा न खुद रे भविष्य की चिंता हुए कि साहब हमारा टाबर बच्चा केत जा है।
साधारण परिवार के युवाओं को राजनीति में आना चाहिए। ये नेता जो है पूरी तरीके से डरे हुए हैं।
For a young country where 65% of Indians are under 35, we sure don't have a lot of young leaders. Only 12% of MPs in the last Lok Sabha were below the age of 40. Can these young leaders change the tide? Donning the Pahadi topi, Bobby Pawar describes himself as unemployed and has filed an independent nomination from Tehri Lok Sabha seat and is raising youth issues.
कि जिस प्रकार से युवाओं के रोजगार पर डाका डाला जा रहा है, जिस प्रकार से युवा बेरोजगार हो रहा है, क्या एक बेरोजगार व्यक्ति, एक बेरोजगार नौजवान गरिमा में पूर्ण जीवन जी पा रहा है? नहीं। हम ये चाहते हैं कि अगर युवाओं को वोट देने का अधिकार है, किसी व्यक्ति को वोट देने का अधिकार है, तो उससे रोजगार का अधिकार भी होना चाहिए।
He was the whistleblower in the Uttarakhand exam paper leak case in 2023, where several students appeared for graduation level examination using the leaked paper. Bobby Pawar was at the protest site and was even detained by the police. His campaigning is amassing huge crowds and public support that has taken people by surprise. But he is not the only one. One of the most talked about candidates of this Lok Sabha election is 26-year-old Ravinder Bhati. An independent candidate from Barmer, comes from an apolitical party but has been witnessing huge public support. Just look at the amount of people present at his rallies. In 2019, Ravinder Singh Bhati wanted to contest for the post of JNVU Student Union President from ABVP. But ABVP denied him a ticket and so he fought independently. He made history by becoming the first student leader in the 57-year history of the university to win the election as an independent. He's been at the forefront of student issues like fees waivers and reservation. He entered national politics with BJP, but despite campaigning for Shiv constituency, his expectation of a BJP ticket went unfulfilled, leading him to contest as an independent candidate. And he turned victorious. He is going up against Kailash Chaudhary, the Minister of State for Agriculture, and is focusing on water scarcity, electricity, education and improved mobile connectivity.
कॉमन चीज जो मैंने देखने ना मिली जो हमारे सेवरे मीना भी है मूलभूत जो को भी अपने सुविधा है वही सबसे बड़ी चीज पानी री है पता शिक्षा चिकित्सा तो है ही.
We also have Manish Kashyap, a YouTuber from Champaran who refers to himself as the son of Bihar, fighting independently from Chanpatia, Bihar. Kashyap hit national headlines after the Tamil Nadu government decided to act against him for allegedly spreading fabricated videos claiming migrant workers from Bihar had been attacked in Tamil Nadu. He was released on bail in December 2023.
पूरे बिहार में भाजपा सबसे ज्यादा मजबूत कहाँ है? कहाँ है आप लोग बताइए? आप लोगों से पूछना चाहता हूँ कहाँ है? पूरे बिहार में सबसे ज्यादा धर्मांतरण कहाँ हो रहा है? पूरे बिहार में सबसे ज्यादा मजबूत भाजपा कहाँ है? सबसे ज्यादा भ्रष्टाचार कहाँ है?
Along with these independents, we also have 25-year-old LSR graduate Shambhavi Chaudhary. She is the youngest Dalit woman to contest Lok Sabha polls from Lok Janshakti Party. Ikra Hassan at 29, Shreya Verma at 31, Priya Saroj at 25 and Pushpendra Saroj at 25 will also make their electoral debut this season as candidates for the Samajwadi Party. Well, now every political party aggressively campaigns to woo the younger generation. Could these young candidates woo the public? The average age of an MP in Lok Sabha is 55 years. Could the upcoming Lok Sabha look any different?
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.